Why is it that my friends are getting promotions and I keep getting passed over? I have other friends with successful businesses, but I can't get anything going.
It's because of programming. Since childhood, we all have been programmed. Some have been told, "You will never amount to anything," or
"You're going to be just like your no-good daddy."
how about this one? "Money doesn't grow on trees, but isn't it made from trees?" A script has been written in your subconscious mind that has determined your status without you even trying. That script causes the rich to expect to be rich, while others expect to be poor. But it's not your fault. You have been programmed. But now you can take control and learn how to change your script. We are conducting a workshop titled Flip Your Script. It's a journey of the mind. Most people go through their entire lives only using their minds by accident. And it's the most powerful thing that we've been given. This could change your life. It could change your family life. How would you spend your time if money was not an object? As Dr. Tina Dupree says, you have invested in everything else. Now it's time to invest in yourself. After all, you are the most valuable asset that you have. Become the captain of your life and learn how to use your mind. There is limited seating, so hurry. Flip Your Script Workshop. Satisfaction guaranteed. That's a $349 value, absolutely free for the first 50 enrolled.